Get a feel for the 2017 Lincoln Continental. This vehicle still has fewer than 30,000 miles on the clock, so it won't last long. Here's a graceful, tech-rich Continental that's waiting to wrap you in luxury. This full-size sedan blends understated elegance, a host of amenities, modern connectivity, a smooth, spacious passenger experience, and the latest safety features to bring you the ultimate in comfort and security. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: electronic stability control, seat memory, trip computer, power windows, bucket seats, four-wheel disc brakes, power steering. Life just got better. Savor the richness of indulgence in this well-appointed Continental. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.